Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the O2 and how you can get cheaper plan and how the whole process works. So the first thing is that you want to call the O2 retention department if you already own the O2 plan, right? So you want to haggle with retention, state your cost of living, and don't take like the first offer they offer you, and this is the first thing. Also check the Uswitch, Money Supermarket, or the whole UK deals, so lower rates than direct. This is like another thing that you can try to do. You can also check out the Tesco Mobile or giffgaff for like different alternatives. Also, you can like change the tariff online. So check my O2 app and downgrade to cheaper plan if you want to. And of course, like look for the deals about the Black Friday, for example. And also we have to be aware of the phone contract when it's like 24 months, so you want to wait for the deal primarily like when it's going to be also some kind of like Black Friday that you can actually use. So that's something you can actually do. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope this video helped you and have a great day.